Here's a fun fact. In Tagalog, there's no direct translation for the word hello. Instead, we say, kamusta, which means how are you? In this video, I'll also show you other ways to say hello in Tagalog and how to keep the conversation going. Greetings are a big part of Filipino culture. Saying kamusta isn't just about words. It shows respect, friendliness, and hospitality, which Filipinos are known for. In this video, you'll learn easy Tagalog greetings, pronunciation tips, and the cultural respect behind them, so you can confidently connect with Filipinos. Before we jump into greetings, let's quickly cover some basic Tagalog pronunciation rules. They're actually pretty straightforward once you practice. Vowels are simple. A is A, like in the word car. E is E, like in the word bed. I is E, like in the word see. O is O, like in the word saw. U is U, like in the word book. Most consonants in Tagalog sound exactly like in English. For example, B, D, K, M, and T. The only one that takes a little practice is the NG sound ng, just like at the end of the word sing. It's very common in Tagalog words, so it's good to practice early. The most common Tagalog greeting is kamusta, which means how are you? This is the closest thing we use to say hello. Let's break down the pronunciation so you can say it naturally. To pronounce kamusta, say ka, like the ka in car, then mu, like the sound a cow makes, and finally sta, like the beginning of the word star. Put it together and you get kamusta. Easy, right? Once you've said kamusta, you don't have to stop there. You can keep the conversation going with these follow-up phrases. Anong pangalan mo? Saan ka nakatira? Kamusta ang araw mo? Kamusta ang pamilya mo? Kamusta ang trabaho mo? Besides saying kamusta, you can also greet people in Tagalog depending on the time of day. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga sa iyo. Magandang tanghali. Magandang tanghali sa iyo. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi sa iyo. These greetings are polite, easy to remember, and perfect for everyday conversations in the Philippines.